To use the Zoom Enhance on Google Pixel 9 Pro or Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, you first need to have the Google Photos app updated to the latest version, so verify that in Google Play. And then you need to take a picture, so you can see from my garden, this is my view here, and I've decided to take a 30x picture. Doesn't have to be 30x, but I've zoomed in. We're going to notice the cell tower here, it's a little bit blurry. So once we selected the photo we want to enhance with the zoom, we'll tap on the edit option. And then under suggestions, it should show zoom enhance. If not, tap on tools and then select the zoom enhance option. Inside this one, you don't have to zoom in any further, but if you wanted to do even more zoom, you could zoom in like that. If you want to enhance your existing image, maybe you like me, you took it a 30x, you don't want to zoom in any further, just tap the enhance details option, and then it's going to use AI to enhance the existing image and to increase its quality. So you should see a before and after, and so we'll tap save copy, and if you look at this, you will notice the cell tower now is extremely high quality, and this is the unedited one because it's quite blurry, low detail, and then this one, far higher detail. It actually looks incredible.